Hey guys, today's video is just going to be a really quick unboxing. I always feel like my Morphe brush unboxings are pretty quick. They're usually under about 4 minutes, so these are always the funnest to do because they're just really simple and really quick. If you guys want to see what's in your September bag, then just keep watching. So the very first one I have is the Morphe Y21. This here is a flat definer brush. I know that we just got another flat definer from our BoxyCharm unboxing. If you guys haven't seen that, I'll have it linked right here. But flat definers are always so essential for any makeup look. You can definitely use it for your lower lash line. I like to use it if I'm not doing like a wing liner and I kind of just want to smoke out the lash line. This is amazing. And you can even use this to clean up concealer underneath your brows if you kind of like that really like chiseled out brow look. The next one I have here is the Morphe Y18. And this one again is such an essential brush. This is like almost like a Sigma dupe, like the E25 one. It's a very small, very thin, but it's going to be a perfect crease brush to blend out those creases. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, I was actually looking for one of these. Awesome. This here is the Morphe Y22. This I'm actually excited about because it's a little bit fluffier than your like typical pencil brushes. And I love this because some pencil brushes, I don't know about you guys, but some of mine are kind of scratchy. And so when I go to like blend out my lower lash line, it kind of hurts to do so, and this one is super soft, super soft. So I'm very excited about this. I can see this being very useful. If you guys have a lot already like this and you're getting this brush, you could definitely use this to kind of do like a nose highlight if you're all about that, or just like kind of pinpointing some highlighting areas right on the inner corner would be awesome as well. The next one I have here is the Morphe Y11, which is the Deluxe Appointed Contour. And don't get me wrong, this is probably perfect for that contour shape, but you guys know me, lately I haven't been into contour. So this for me is going to be an amazing brush to blend out concealer underneath the eyes, set concealer, anything like that. But if you guys like those chiseled out cheeks, this is really soft and really fluffy, so I could see this being really good to blend everything out. And then the last thing I have here, which I'm going to leave in the bag because I have like 3 or 4 of these, so I'm definitely going to throw this in a giveaway box. But this here is the Morphe Y13, which is a fan brush. Now, you guys know I love fan brushes. They are amazing for highlight, to do contour. I've seen a lot of like pro MUAs use fan brushes for contour, but again, since I have so many of those, I'm going to definitely give those away in some of my giveaway bins. So looks like this month we're getting a total of 5 brushes. We have a mix of eye and face brushes, which is always my favorite kind of combo because you get a little bit of both worlds. I feel like this is such a great line that I've seen so far. The last couple of months have kind of been hit and miss, but I feel like this line, I think just about almost every product in here, I'm definitely needing a new one of, or something that I could really reuse. So I'm really excited about this. Let me know if you guys have gotten your bag and if you guys are enjoying it. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's quick, it's nice, it's easy, it's fun. And if you guys make sure to subscribe if you guys haven't yet before you guys head out. You guys can always follow me on social media. I'm at StephsBeauty05 for a bunch of social media handles. So make sure to head over there. I love you guys and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.